everybody, thank you comes to presentation. My name is Catherine and today I would like to talk about a historical site. Before we start, I want you to think two questions. How many historical sites you know and how many historical sites you visit? Reflect. Well, there are many historical sites, but in this presentation I will talk about Chapultepec Forest. It's a famous site, also considered like a park. Personally, I think that visit a historical site is an opportunity from learn about your past. This presentation has 4 parts. First, I talk about history at Chapultepec Forest. Second, I talk about Chapultepec places. Next, I talk about activities that you can do in your visit. And finally, the main attraction in Chapultepec. First, Chapultepec's history started since 3,000 years ago. In pre-Hispanic times, it was a site occupied by Teotihuacans in classic periods, Toltecs in post-classical, and Mexicans in 1325. Since the Mexican occupied Chapultepec and Moctezuma ordered the construction of an aqueduct to bring water to Tenochtitlan, but also a botanical garden and a zoo. Now look at this map. As you can see, Chapultepec Forest has many places like Museum Tamayo, Museum National Anthropology, Chapultepec Castle, lakes, zoo, fountains, and parks. But the most visited place is Natural History Museum, because included a collection of rocks, minerals, fossils, models, and art that show elements and species that have inhabited planet. Now, I would now like to move on the activities. This is the most interesting part because Chapultepec Forest has Lancha Cinema, where you can watch a movie on a lake, Chapultepec Festival that promote historical and ecological importance, picnic where you can move a moment with nature, or the bark market, an activity where you exchange recycled products for agriculture products. Also, there are parks for different activities like dance and cheese for senior citizens and games, crafts, skate for children. Finally, in Chapultepec Forest, there are 2 attractions. The first attraction is Chapultepec Castle, or National History Museum, because it was inhabited by Maximiliano Habsburgo, Porfirio Díaz, Venustiano Carranza, Álvaro Obregón, and others. And the second attraction is Chapultepec Zoo, because it's the most representative sites in Mexico City. There are species in danger of extinction like a panda, orangutan, Sumatran tiger, and others. In conclusion, it's a historical site because it has a museums, lakes, remains civilizations that in addition it has many activities and attractions that all of you to enjoy the site. In my opinion, I consider that the Chapultepec Forest is an interesting site and is an opportunity from learn about your past. See you later.